Menteri Ketenat Kekot Kakiak Kejela Uba AL Hek Haka Khatar Terik Jembang Arhajar Apawai Ulalik Jengo Aban Aimen Sim Ki Nongtrei Ke NEIGRIMHS Hospital Shillong Haka Pol Jangka Jingling Shop Uknyang Jingpang COVID-19. Hagani ka jingle jungo abat Aimen Sim Ki Nongtrei Ki Basumar Ki Nongpang Hagani ka Hospital Nakalyang Jungo Director Jangka NEIGRIMHS Hospital Upi Bhattacharya Ulapan Pau Baki Biang Nadong Shadong Habaya Debat Ki Dawai Ki Oxygen Hindrei Ka Jing Air Pad Baki Kendo Kadai Ka Jing Duna Jang Ki Nongtrei Bada ai jing syakri hakum kani kapor badang ya kuni ukni yang jing pang COVID-19. Bad kila karpat ke sorkar pedeng bakade ban ai jing menjut ban thung kam shu ha kani ka hospital khanang ban yo ya ka jing syakri ka bapura ya kinang pang.
And there the human resources, that is the doctors, nurses, ward boys, everything is split down the line. So the same type of service is continuing but number of people less. These are challenges for which we had been preparing last time. So we trained other doctors and nurses from other parts of the hospital, even the preclinical, paraclinical, even the laboratory services. So they were trained in managing COVID ICU patients. And when this came up, we have called upon their services, given them refresher training, and now they are working with us. We need people, to maintain communication with the relations, wanting to know what is happening to my patient. Sometimes we need people to sometimes bring medicines for them from the pharmacy. We don't want to send the attendants of the COVID patients because they may be weak, they may also be becoming COVID affected. So we are getting other staff. So we are calling upon our staff from administrative section, final year MBBS students, fourth year MBBS students, interns. So they are all coming together so that the services can be given. The challenges in providing expanded ICU care lies not in the equipment. Equipment we have more than 70, 77 ventilators. Some more maybe we will be getting. It is the people running them. Once you put a person in the ICU, we had one situation when, while in the rush of people being admitted and treated, one patient, we forgot to order meal for her. The wonderful thing is that lady was not angry with me. In the morning I have personally gone to see, she says, "Doctor, I think they forgot to give my meal." We are grateful for the nature of response. They have told me, but it was a great shame. But if we are working off the hook, we are hitting the deck running, small slip-ups, and we are intending that they should be kept to the minimum, but we have immediately arranged everything. An explanation, the family feeling that my husband is in this bed, but you are telling to shift outside. We explain that, okay, he is needing only oxygen. If he deteriorates, we will bring him back immediately. You do not worry. We will take care. How we tell, what we tell. We may do everything, but that milk of human kindness, if it is not there, everything else falls flat. A trust has to build up, a bond has to build up. So the challenge lies in the human resources, trained human resources, and this is true the world over. We are happy that we are getting good support from our people. Other departments are taking up sister department activities. Suppose medicine is looking after a lot of COVID. Neurology may be looking after their patients in the ward. So we help each other out. And it is only through this that this type of pandemic we can take care.
Today we came for the review with the NEIGRIMHS Hospital. Here we have heard from what our Dr. Bhattacharya had said, the director of NEIGRIMHS. We are also very happy with their preparedness. They already their preparation. We have seen that they have done very well. They have kept the isolation ward separately. They have kept the waiting ward separately. They have kept the other ICU separately. All has been made arrangement. We are very, very happy. Then also they said that there is no problem with the oxygen. That there has no problem with the beds, no problem with the ventilator at present. Everything it be manageable. So this is what we have been taking the review from the state government, also with the NEIGRIMHS Hospital, for the best services to the people, particularly to not denying what kind of services is supposed for the cancer patient, whether they need the radiation, they need chemotherapy, it cannot be denied. There all have been given arrangement, and also for the dialysis patient, that also been discussed. Everything has been taken care for all kind of patient, whether it is positive or the normal patients here.